Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will be looking one of the latest and awesome feature introduced by Microsoft, and it is called introducing agent mode and office agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. So let's get started. It says that agent mode in Excel and Word delivers best-in-class AI generated spreadsheets and documents right in the apps billions of people rely on every day at work. So starting in Excel and Word, and with the PowerPoint, it's coming soon. So for those of you who are interested to try it out, it says that agent mode and Copilot for Excel is available starting today in the Frontier program for Microsoft 365 Copilot licensed customers and 365 personal and families or family subscribers. So agent mode works in Excel on the web and is coming soon to the desktop. But to try it out, you can install the Excel Labs add-in and choose the agent mode. So once you go to the agent mode in Excel, how to install in Excel 365 version. So you need to have the Excel Labs and then you can have the agent mode Frontier. Okay. Another techcommunity.microsoft.com blog on September 29, 2025, building agent mode in Excel. So they have described the importance of using this feature. Alright, so let's get ahead and try some demonstration on shared or sensitive files. Alright, so let's click on open. So it says that agent mode is currently on support in Excel for web. Okay, tutorial to teach people how to use Lambda function. So let's apply this. And it will take definitely a few seconds to execute. Alright, so after waiting for 1 or 2 minutes, the tutorial has been created and the summary has been also generated. Right, so let's see. You can see there are some multi worksheets with the Lambda function examples, right? So I think this is very awesome because I remember a few years back when I go to my client and I have to prepare some exercise files for my participants in that for the trading session. I have to spend entire day to gather the information and put my experience in it. Still, I mean, this is not bad. This is very good that within few minutes it did multiple worksheets with neat and clean example. Definitely I will check this. So if you have this version and facility available, do try it out. Try to learn the prompt engineering. I mean, that would be very much in demand skill in the coming months or years. So that how you basically communicate with the ML models. It could be LLM or it could be others, but try to have a prompt engineering efficiency in your day-to-day work, because most of the clients will definitely be applying and integrating AI in different functions or departments in their day-to-day work. So you need to be proficient in using the AI tools smartly to definitely save a lot of time and do some efficient work and focus on more oftenly in the decision making work as well.